So as you can see, we've soldered all of these connections already. Just didn't videotape all of them, but here we're just gonna solder the power and the ground, and it should flip on right there. So here we go. Here's our power. Here. And then here's our solder. Come around on this side. So we're gonna heat up the pad and the wire for a second, and then get our solder onto there. And there's the power. And then for our ground, same thing. There. And then the same process. Just heat up the pad and the wire, and then add the solder, and there you go. And it should power up right here. As you can see, it is powered on. And then here's our LCD working based off of this solder done, and this whole breadboard is done. All of these and all of these connections to the shield.